Alrighty, Chris here with High Seas Cruising, here to give you a room tour. This is going to be a Oceanview balcony cabin on board Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas. So let's take a look and see what we got. We'll actually go ahead and start right here in the desk area. So of course you have the small TV. Alright, so you have the desk area here. You got a light switch for the lights, for the vanity mirrors right here. Two 120 plugs, a 230 plug. So this is an older cruise ship. It's got an older setup on it, so you're not going to have near as many USB plugs on this one. I haven't seen any yet, but you have your refrigerator is right here. You got tons of drawer space on both sides. Come up here and we have the closet. It's got your life jackets, hangers, room safe, plenty of shelving in here. So we got some additional pull down hanging space here. Here on the back of the door. Now this you'll put on the outside of your room in the morning, letting them know you're either sleeping or you're out of the room and they can go ahead and come on and clean it. You have your thermostat. Now we're going to turn this down here because it is a little bit warm on board today. All right, and come on in here. We're going to have the bathroom. So we come on in here. All right, so you got your sink space, of course your toilet paper, trash can, all of your towels, lots of big mirrors here. Hello everybody. Got some cups. Of course you got the throne. Then you have the nice space capsule shower here, which has the hair and body wash 2-in-1 already in it. So pretty decent. Now, I am not a big person at all. I'm only 5'6", and you guys can see I plenty of room. So, you know, I'm sure if you're 6 foot and above, it might be a little bit tight for you. All right, we got the couch, and of course the bed. Said no USB ports on either side of the bed. On this ship, you are going to have to bring a non-surge power strip. It's got USB ports and power in there. And then, of course, we can head right outside here and take a look at our balcony. You can see Tiffany is already out here. She has found a spot. We may not get her to move a whole lot the rest of this cruise now. As y'all can see, we're still docked here in Galveston. But it's got 2 chairs, nice little table, everything right here. All right, and that's going to be our room tour. So this is room 8274. Aboard Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas. So just your regular old balcony cabin, but plenty of room for Tiffany and I. It's going to be our home here for the next week. So I'm sure you guys will see us in here plenty of times. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick room tour. If you have, do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will be out here on the high seas.